We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Friends and family on Telegram. Families and friends will prosper. Let's pick up for business. Okay, guys, we are marking up MKR.USD crypto. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. So we have price action here with a huge bullish candle. So if price goes up in this area here, you're looking at price to come to this high. Price action drops down, we're looking for price to return back to area low. We currently see that price is at a midpoint. So let's read the market. The market came down from somewhere, pushed up, went to highest highs, came back down, pushed up again, came back down, pushed up. So from this push up, we got a first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. The market's pushing up. So we can see like it's a double top retest. So we got to figure out the market's going to keep on shooting up, or is this the midpoint that's going to market's going to drop down? We don't know. It's going to be a decline market, or the market pushing up for the incline. Get it down to the weekly time frame. Okay, so we have a huge bullish candle that's engulfed this full area here, showing that the market will be pushing up. Also, the market consolidated on this time frame, which we'll see the market doing a formation of a W. So we got that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg is pushing up right now. So we're gonna see if another white candle is gonna form on top of this. May happen with the retest here, the market shoots up. So right now we are in that bullish market. Market's going up. Headed down to the daily. Let's take a look at what's going on near price. So price, the candle before price engulfed this full previous area here. And that's what pushed the market up. And then we have this active candle on the daily time frame. If it closes out by 5 p.m. today, it engulfed this full area here. So we look at we're still going to get another push up. So the market's like is heading up to our top of that highs of that uptrend. Okay, so once we get that, market's going to probably engulf this, and then we'll be at the area of highs. So we're looking for a break and retest. This looks like market's going to work its way up. Looking real good. Headed down to the 4. Let's take a look at what's going on. So we have a huge W. So we have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest. Market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, market pushed up a third time. So that's average. It could still push up one more time. So it could be some areas of consolidation maybe trying to happen in this area here. That the market's going to consolidate a little bit before it breaks out to the next level, but it's still, market looks very bullish. Market's working its way up. Headed down to the 3 to see what we see. Okay, now we can confirm those retests. Headed down to the 2. Okay, we got something on the 2. We got some type of retest happening here. So this is a doji. The last active candle is a doji currently right now, so it's having trouble breaking. That's why we have this long wick to the top. So we don't know what this market is going to push down just a little bit, create some momentum to drop down. So if you check this out, the price action, let's say this area is highs, price action goes down from this area lows, and we have a midpoint here. Price will come back to this midpoint, create some type of single bottom, a W, push back up, and create new highs. If not, we could be getting an engulfing pattern here. Push the market up. So the market is still working its way up. You can see it just did a little bit of push. we got this long wick here, so we got to figure out what's going on with this wick of this candle. Because with this previous candle, meaning that market pushed up, came all the way this high, wasn't able to hold, drop back down. So it could be a chance that the market reversing to that midpoint just to come back up later on. Maybe, maybe not. It headed down to the 1, and we did receive a price push up all the way to that high. That was patterns called, which we can see it came back for a retest at that area of support of that wick that I created from the higher time frame. And then market still retesting that same area, didn't break the area of support. So it can create that momentum and shoot back up. So this is an area of consolidation. So if you wait in this area on the 1 hour, the market will form itself. We get some engulfing pattern, let's say a white candle forms and break out of this area here, then we can see that the market is breaking up. So this pattern is going to consolidate until we get it to this top end. It works its way up. If it drops down, you know it's going to head back to this area of lows. So price action, highest, lowest, low, sit on the midpoint. So it can drop back to the lows. If it break that support, still create that momentum, it shoot back up. Headed down to the 45. You can see the market consolidating. Okay, so it actually broke up, came back down, and it's just retesting this area of support. So it wasn't a breakout to the downside or breakout to the low side. So it just consolidated still. So on this 45 minutes, if this closes out, this market could be pushing up because we have a white candle that's engulfing the previous candle, but showing that the market's going to push up. If it closes out to 45, headed down to 30. But even with the 30, if the 30 closes out before the previous candle, doji as well. So this is an indecisive candle. So if price engulf this, that market's pushing up, and then we can see that price is going to currently engulf the previous body of the second, third, and last candle. So that market leg is going up if it closes out in 30 minutes. So it look like we're in an uptrend. So the market created an area of pushed up, came back to the low. So it's an area, major area of support here. So like the market's pushing right back up. So we are in an uptrend. Headed down to the 15. Okay, it's the second last candle, wasn't able to engulf, but it was area consolidation within here. So market did break down, consolidated, and now we got the engulfing pattern. It's not going to just engulf the red candle we see previously, but 1, 2, 3, the previous 4 candles after price. It's about to engulf. If it closes out on the 15-minute time frame, look like it is. So we can see that area of incline. So market is working its way up back to the area of highs. Headed down to the 5. Okay, so there's some type of pattern trying to form in here. So we have that first leg pushed down, market pushed up, came back down, pushed up again, consolidated. So it's like a double bottom. I got a first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, double W formation. 2 retests after that, and the market pushed up. So this market is pushing up from that W. So the market is looking good. This market like is working its way right back up to previous highs. Look at the 3. Okay, so something's going on with 3. So what I see is that you notice on the 3-minute, the market's losing momentum. Okay, so the candles losing momentum, they're getting smaller. The previous one's a doji. So there's a chance that market could break up, as it just did, come back down for that retest to break up again. So it's just going to come back to that retest. If it don't do a full retest back down, these candles are still considered retests. Sometimes the market just you get a white candle and engulf this full area here, and that market could shoot up. So it's either the market's going to engulf this previous area here on the 3-minute time frame and shoot up. If not, so this is a bullish candle. So if it closes out and look like this market going to still shoot up. If it starts showing dojis, this market could come right back down just to retest that area of support on the 3-minute time frame and then still push up later on. Okay, headed down to the 1, we do got the engulfing pattern. So this market is about to engulf this whole previous area here. So that market is working its way up. Also, we could be able to see the retest that happened on the 1 minute time frame. So we got the break and retest, market broke retest this area here, and then the market broke, and then probably looking for the market to retest this area here to shoot up. So still walking down the time frame, this market look like it is about to head up to that area of resistance. And once it gets to that resistance, you look for the break and retest, the market can shoot it further. It's a very good trade to get into MKR.USD. Very important information, guys. Please study the Forex pattern cheat sheet, understand patterns in the market. When the market's at the support areas, the market's going to be a single retest, double retest, triple retest, or more. Very important information, guys. Please study breakout retest strategies. Got to understand when the market is at an area of resistance. Once it breaks, what's going to happen? Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. MKR USD